What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Burke Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing, man. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. Alright, so I'm happy to be back, first of all. Hope everyone's having a blessed day. Second of all, third thing, Nike. Nike is putting a lot of energy into Jordan 1 lows. Nike's putting a lot of energy into Jordan 1 mids, making them with crazy boxes, a whole lot of energy. I'm just saying, these crazy dope colorways coming out. We recently got the shattered backboard. We've recently got the pollen lows. Dope colorways. A whole bunch of dope colorways we've been getting from Nike. I'm here for it, obviously. So we have a pair of Jordan 1 lows right here. All right, we got the Jordan 1 low, black, Arctic orange, and white. Let's look in the box. Y'all see what? Y'all picking up what I'm seeing right now? See that? Bam. What y'all think about these? These are fire. I had the high tops. They came out with a Jordan 1 high. It's very similar colorway. I would have to see the shoes next to each other to see if they're exactly the same, but very, very, very similar in colorway. I ended up selling that shoe. I was never gonna wear it, and I got a decent price for it. So this shoe right here, I think I spent $100 on. $90. Retail price $90. I actually think I got these for $70, but retail price $90. These are fire, man. I kind of had regrets on selling the shoe after I sold the shoe. And then when I seen this low top come out, I was like, yeah, man, this has to happen. And like I said, man, I'm with all the energy. Jordan, Nike, y'all been putting a lot of energy into these lows and mids. I don't know, it's because... And also, hold on, before I even get to that point, Nike's raising their prices. I seen a pair of mids go for $150. Now, the mids had a dope box, and you could tell they put a lot of energy into the shoe. But Nike's raising their prices. I've seen some lows go for, I think, $130. So, I don't know what's going on over there at Nike, but I do know that they're putting a lot of energy into shoes with less material, and that they are raising the prices on shoes. I actually like the Jordan 1 better than I like the Dunks. I'm gonna stand out there and say that right now. I like the Jordan 1 lows better than I like the Dunks. I like super intense. Better than I like the Dunks. So these are fire, man. I had to get these. I've had them for a while. I've had these for about 4 or 5 weeks. Right, I got them the day they went live, and they were sitting over at my homeboy's house, and I just had to go pick them up. But yeah, man, y'all make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to stay tapped in with the channel, man. I got some other shoes to unbox, but I think I'm gonna do it on another video. I think that makes more sense, honestly. But yeah, man, you got your Jordan 1 low. I mean, look, it's not some crazy... Here, let me take the shoe tree out real quick. It's not some crazy soft leather. That's not what I'm saying. This shoe will crease when you wear it. But it's still a clean ass shoe. Matter of fact, the leather is super hard. If you compare it to like the gray and white lows or the shattered backboards, then you would consider this more of a just throwaway type of leather. Pleather leather. It's not soft at all, but it just looks dope. I think these look better than Dunks, man. I only got one pair of Dunks, but I do have a couple pairs of Jordan Lows, and these are fire, man. These are fire. So, man, go make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I got another video dropping, and I mean it. I mean it. I'm not bullshitting. Like, I'm shooting it right after this, and then I'm editing everything at the same time. We're dropping multiple videos today. We might even drop all 3, all right? Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Stay tapped in with your boy. It's your boy, Bert Collins. Already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.